In this video, we'll look at where beginners make key mistakes. I will show you the principle by which traders work, who stay in the market for a long time and earn steadily, and not from deal to deal. I will also show you a tool that helps you make more informed decisions, which is suitable for stable, long-distance work, not for a one-time successful transaction. The video is perfect for both beginners and more experienced traders, so let's not hesitate and enjoy watching it. Before starting a trading session, I always recommend setting a candlestick chart type. This is the most optimal chart on this broker. I chose 5-second candlesticks in the intervals, and we will trade and conduct technical analysis on them today. I have only $500 on deposit, and the goal for this video is to add at least $1,000 to my account. I'll show you later which tool I can use to do this, but for now I'm moving on to choosing currency pairs. We trade on OTC mode, adding stable currency pairs with increased profitability on this broker. After adding currency pairs to our favorites, we will currently be able to monitor the returns on these assets. And if the returns fall during the trading session, we will change currency pairs to others and trade on them. I'm betting on the British pound, the Japanese yen. Let's do a little technical analysis on this asset. Immediately, I mark the last maximum of the price on the horizontal line, as well as the last minimum value on this asset. The price here is moving along an ascending trend line. Many traders here would further open upward along this main ascending trend line. This strategy is based on trading with verification of technical analysis, using signals from a bot with artificial intelligence. I will share this discovery with you. Using my own example, I will show you how, with the help of it, I will steadily earn money on this broker. Double-check my technical analysis using this and the bot. This tool is absolutely free. All information about it is in the Telegram channel at the link in the description. But we are moving on to configuring this tool. After launching through the Telegram channel, a bar with this tool appears, where you just need to select the trading mode. We trade in OTC mode. I'm venturing into it. I also remind you that a video about Forex mode is available on my YouTube channel. In the Assets tab, I'm looking for the desired currency pair, British pound, Japanese yen on our screens. I'm looking for this asset in my bot. I add this currency pair and proceed to choosing the expiration time. We are trading on 5-second candles today. Videos about 15-second and minute candles are also available in playlists. Go ahead and watch these tutorial videos. Well, I click on the signal generation and carefully wait for the analysis of this data and the bot. In a matter of seconds, the bot analyzes this currency pair itself, after which it gives us a buy or sell signal. There is a buy signal with 50% confidence, opening up, and a sharp impulse gives us the first increase on our deposit, plus $136 on deposit. We see that our profitability has sharply dropped to 81%. This is a signal to us that this currency pair is unstable, so I'm switching to the next assets I've selected, namely the Euro-British pound. We see that the yield on the euro-dollar has dropped to 57%, so we should not trade on these assets. Trading and accelerating our deposit is always at maximum yield, so let's reconfigure our instrument on the next asset. Euro-British pound on our screens. I'm looking for this currency pair in my chat. I add this asset. I also do not forget to set the expiration time to 5 seconds. I myself click on the signal generation and carefully wait for the technical analysis of this data. The main thing with this method is to open up to a second on the signal. This is the main aspect of trading using this strategy. There is a sell signal with 61% confidence, opening downwards, thereby adding another $155 to my account. With perfect confidence, the bot gives us a great signal here. Without any problems, we add over $200 to our deposit in 2 minutes of trading. Next, I switch to the Australian dollar. Let's also open on the Australian dollar without any technical analysis. We have the maximum profitability here. 92% yield at the moment. I'm requesting my signal here again. The Australian dollar is the dollar on the screen. I am requesting a signal, and I am carefully waiting for those who analyze this, because there is such an uncomplicated trade. But believe me, in my experience, you need and can earn money with this tool on this broker. There is a sell signal with 65% confidence, a sharp downward momentum on the correction. The bot gives us another increase here without any problems. In 2 minutes of trading, we add almost $450 to our deposit. With further confidence, they will also give us a wonderful signal here that a correction will occur in the market. That's what happens on our screens. There is an increase in 2 minutes of trading in the amount of $450 per deposit. Previously, I also traded using this method, adding over $1,000 to the deposit itself. I traded on 15-second candlesticks, and with only one return on the deal, I was able to add over $1,000 to my deposit. I'm not going to stop there either. I am looking for a stable currency pair in my selected assets. I switch to the dollar and the Japanese yen. Also, without those analyses, let's open up to maximum profitability. I switch to the dollar and the Japanese yen. Let's select this currency pair in our bot. Dollar and Japanese yen on the screen. I fully trust this tool. As mentioned earlier, I have been trading with this bot for 4.5 months, and during this period of time, I've earned over $50,000 for my deposit. All this is absolutely legal, and the broker also does not prohibit you from trading with third-party instruments, so you don't have to worry about your account and your deposit on this broker. There is a signal with 64% confidence that the price here will continue its active upward movement along this main ascending trend line. I download this bot and switch back to Euro British Pound. Also, my main advice when trading with this instrument is to open your trades to the nearest second, enter the signal, immediately press the buy or sell button, thereby steadily increasing your deposit on this broker. This is an uncomplicated trade, but believe me, many people are already making money with this tool. Do not be among the losers, but trade your own today. There is a sell signal with 59% confidence in the upper range after the correction, opening its next entry point, thereby adding 50%. Over $700 to your deposit account. I'm restarting these tools, moving back to the Australian dollar. Also, without technical analysis, let's open on the Australian dollar. I am trading so boldly and confidently with this bot, because I know that many traders are already trading with the help of AI. This bot is absolutely free. You have the opportunity to request a signal from your phone or any other personal device, so be careful. Trade with AI yourself. I'm requesting my next signal on the Australian dollar. Dollars have a sell signal, opening in a lower range downwards with 53% confidence. A sharp downward momentum gives us another increase, and we only have one entry point left before completing the goal for this video. I'm reinventing myself with the dollar and the Japanese yen. I'll make my last entry point here. OTC mode, dollar, Japanese yen on the screens, adding this currency pair to my instrument. In just 10 minutes of trading with small tech tents, and when shooting this video, we can still earn $1,000. I'm waiting for the technical analysis carefully. I have set up my Wi-Fi on this broker. Now the connection will be more stable, and I will be able to open my trades with precision to the second. There is a buy signal with 72% confidence. I open my entry point in the lower range. The new one doesn't have time to press the button to the second, and the entry point is returned to my deposit. This often happens when trading when you have an unstable internet connection. There's nothing wrong with that. In such cases, I restart this tool and move again to the next currency pair. I switch to Euro British Pound. I'm also going to open my next entry point without technical analysis. The euro is the British pound on our screen. Once again, the main thing with this method is to open with precision to the second. Have a stable internet connection, and you will earn a steady income on this broker. We have the maximum payout. I am waiting for the technical analysis of this bot. After the correction candle, I open with a confidence of 74% downwards, thereby fulfilling the goals for this video. With excellent confidence, without any problems, in just 10 minutes of trading using this method, we add over $1,000 to our deposit. We started trading at $13.40. Small technical fluctuations occurred, and 2 entry points were returned to me. I did not have time to open on these assets to the nearest second, and we did not lose the transactions, but only returned them to our deposit. This often happens when you don't have time to open up to the second. There is an increase of $2,000 for today's trading session. Earlier, I also traded on 5-second candlesticks and added over $1,000 to my deposit. Now the situation is similar. We add $2,000 to our deposit without any problems. And all this is thanks to this Batum AI. I also remind you that this tool is absolutely free, and the main thing is to trade with it with a stable internet connection. Go to the Telegram channel by following the link in the description. Read reviews about other users and trade with AI today. Well, you are on the Arthur Trade channel. If you liked this video, do not forget to like and subscribe to this YouTube channel, and also add your comment under this video. Well, I wish you all successful deals. See you all again for now.